and I'm sure, that was the case in African American communities, that we're not just going to do things just because the CDC or the government tells us to, because our relationship with the government has been fractured and harmful to us. And we've had a lot of similar things to the African American community, where you all have the Tuskegee experiments. We have a lot of experiments that were conducted on children in boarding and residential schools, where children were deliberately malnourished. We also have a lot of incidences of forced sterilization. So those natural misgivings that we have for the government and healthcare in general is well founded. So we have to, if we want to address and make communication strategies or interventions geared towards Native American, we have to acknowledge that and not belittle and paint Native Americans as being anti-science, because we're very pro-science. We are some of the, world's premier scientists who gave the world agricultural gifts, who gave the world, a lot of innovation and know-how in almost
Right.
um, every aspect of society. So, respecting that indigenous knowledge and our ability to find our own solutions is going to help rebuild that trust, and also acknowledging the harms of the past. And then also realizing that sometimes the messengers are going to come from within. We're going to listen to our own community members. If it's our own elders asking us to
Right.
get vaccinated or whatever the case may be, to get healthy, then we're probably going to listen to that person more than just someone in a white coat. Um, and then also just being patient with Indigenous patients. Relationships take time. So, often when healthcare providers come in and meet a new Native patient, they don't take the time to talk about where they came from and who they are. And that positionality is so important to build trust, because we all have families, we all have culture, whether that's from Germany or whatever. And if you
Right.
take some time to talk about who your people are and where you're coming from, then that helps build that trust. And because we can see that you are someone that's coming into this relationship with a desire for reciprocity.
Right. So, question, given your background in public health and also the Native American yourself, being that's your community, you find it easy or is it difficult to navigate? I'm sure people see you or you're saying, "Hey, this is what the data says."
Yeah.
And is it hard for you to get through to your community, or do you find that is that easier for your community since it's coming from you?